Good morning, I'm Stevie Dainjada Tutolo from Gemini Multimedia Limited. Today, as you can see, I have my setup in my studio, my home studio. Well, I'm having a live recording session with one client on the other side of the continent. So I'll be recording, and then the product will be used for a commercial material or any other purpose. So this is the job of a voiceover. You stay at home, you have your home studio, your microphone, your gears, and then you get online and you find a niche, and then you apply for a professional voice recorder, and then you can record documentaries, you can record commercial script, you can record movies, you can dub documentaries, you can read books and get paid. There's a lot of application for voiceover jobs. So this is my current setup. I will switch to the back camera to show you the website of the client. Maybe you'll be very interested, and then you can also start creating your account and start recording from home today. So let me just show you the client. Okay, as you can see, this is the client website. The website is voicebunny.com. voicebunny.com. The parent company is a pay-to-play website, P2P, which means they have to pay before you become a member. But on voicebunny.com, it's basically free. And what they do on VoiceBunny, it's generally voiceover. Right here, voiceover, writing, translation, and audio ad. So I'm one of those voice actors or voice talents. I'm part of the huge database of voices. As you can see, you can have voiceovers from various languages, people from South Africa, people who speak Bengali, people who speak Catalan, Czech, German, English with an African accent. Yes. You can be a Ghanaian, you can be a Nigerian, you can be a Kenyan, you can be from Mozambique, and then you can just read script with your natural African accent. Gone are the days where they were looking for only American accent. So this is English with Australian accent, Caribbean, Ireland, etc. You see, African American, English US with the Southern accent, etc., etc. So I'm having a demo today. I'm going to record for a client. And then once the project is approved, the payment will come in 30 days. So this is one of the jobs, the long category of online jobs that you can do from home. This is voiceover, and it is used for many applications. You can also work for as many companies as possible. There are thousands and thousands and thousands of websites like that are ready to work with you today from home. So, as I indicated, you can record from home. You just need some gears, you need some professional headphones, and you need a professional studio like this with foam, as you can see. Maybe the ring light at a certain point. The ring light is just for my videos and stuff like that. So you can start recording from home today, and then you can start making money. You can record for any company in the world. This is only one platform. I have a gift for you for more than 200 platforms, or you can also work with them today doing voiceover. So start working from home today. Do a job online. Follow Gemini Multimedia Limited on Facebook. Follow what we do and get your niche and start today. So this is just a preview for an upcoming meeting that I'm going to organize for voice talents, those who are interested in using the mic, those who are interested in talking and getting paid, singing and getting paid, reading and getting paid. This is a very flexible, relaxed, stress-free type of job. It's very good for everyone. I recommend to any age, provided you are 18 years and above. You can be a retired person, you can be a medical doctor. We need you because you are the one who knows diseases, names of diseases and procedures. If you are an attorney or if you are a legal expert, you can also do voiceover and you can read scripts on that. If you are a radio presenter, you're a journalist, you are from a media school, all of those guys doing media schools in Africa, in Ghana, everywhere, you can also do voiceover from home. This is just a preview, as I said. The training is coming up soon. You can participate, or you can also follow us on Facebook, generally on Facebook, and then you can send your comments if you're interested. Thank you very much. I'm Stevie Dainja Tolo from Gemini Multimedia Limited. Stay tuned.